my name is Marilia Richards, and I'm a Senior Immigration Associate here at GLaw Group. Today I want to talk to you about Temporary Protected Status, more commonly known as TPS. This is a temporary immigration status provided to nationals of certain countries experiencing problems that make it difficult or unsafe for the nationals to return to those countries. The Secretary of Homeland Security may designate a country for TPS due to the following temporary conditions in those countries: ongoing armed conflicts such as civil war, as we're seeing now in Ukraine, an environmental disaster such as earthquake or hurricane or an epidemic, or other extraordinary and temporary conditions. These temporary protected status designations are made for 6, 12, or 18 months at a time, and any decision to extend or terminate the protection must be made by the Secretary of Homeland Security at least 60 days prior to the expiration of TPS. If an extension or termination decision is not published in the Federal Register at least 60 days in advance of the expiration, the designation automatically is extended for 6 months. Now, in order to qualify for TPS, an individual must be a national of the foreign country with TPS designation, be continuously physically present in the United States since the effective date of the designation, have continuously resided in the United States since a date specified by the Secretary of Homeland Security, and cannot be inadmissible to the United States or barred from asylum for certain criminal or national security related reasons, such as individuals who have been convicted of a felony or at least 2 or more misdemeanors. Now, the nationals of the designated countries do not automatically get TPS. They must register during a specific registration period and pay the fees that are associated with this application. TPS, something that you must keep in mind is that TPS is a temporary benefit. It does not lead to lawful permanent resident status or give any other immigration status. TPS does not provide beneficiaries with a separate path to lawful permanent residency or a green card or citizenship. TPS beneficiaries return to the immigration status that they held prior to receiving the TPS unless that status has expired or the person has successfully acquired new immigration status. During the designated period, individuals who are TPS beneficiaries or who are found preliminarily eligible for TPS upon initial review of their cases are not removable from the United States. They may obtain an employment authorization card, and they may be granted travel authorization during this time. Once granted TPS, an individual cannot be detained by DHS solely on the basis for their immigration status in the United States. Now, there are currently 13 TPS designated countries. They are Burma, El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, Nepal, Nicaragua, Somalia, South Sudan, Syria, Venezuela, Yemen, and in the next couple weeks, hopefully, the Federal Register publishes Ukraine. On March 4th of this year, the Secretary of Homeland Security announced the designation of TPS for Ukrainian nationals for a period of 18 months. This will apply to nationals of Ukraine who have continuously resided in the United States since March 1st, 2022. We are waiting for the designation to be published in the Federal Register in order to proceed with the filings. So if you have any questions about your eligibility or your particular case, give us a call or contact us on our Facebook page and we will set up a consultation for you.